one of the most disciplined and powerful fighting powers in the world, the Indian Defence Forces, in air, water or land. We believe in winning first and then going to war. Planning, strategy, quality, training, research and development of our men and machines ensure that we sweat more in peace and so bleed less in war. The best men need the best machines to fight and win. Machine Tool Prototype Factory is one such organization that is at the forefront of research and development for creating critical components of superior quality to meet the requirement of our defense forces. MTPF has been a leading manufacturer of machine tools under the umbrella of AVNL, which is attached with the Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense.
As the years went on, we also diversified ourselves. In 1970, we started making gearbox for T-90 and T-72 tank, BMP tanks, and subsequently, during late 90s, we started manufacturing ammunition hardware also. We were making 81 mm bomb body, which we used to supply to our ammunition factories.
The MTPF family has a long history as the pioneer of defense production in India. Established in 1953 by India's then Prime Minister, Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. We have come a long way in fortifying India's defense. With our intense research, the brilliance of our engineers, workmen and management, we stand to create the best equipment that delivers strength, mobility and support for our defense forces in their most challenging battles.
We have very high class of the manufacturing machines and the inspections capabilities. This factory is having immense potential to diversify its technology as per the requirement. Starting from manufacturing of machines for different sister factories to development of the electronic fuse, we have a very dynamic journey of product development.
Team MTPF today is a family of over 800 committed supporting soldiers. Our products are made from the best world-class machines, best material sourced and approved after stringent quality checks.
मैं मशीनिस्ट करके ज्वाइन किया और अभी हमारे पास में IFL का जॉब चल रहा है जो आर्क करके है जो एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है हमारे IFL के लिए.
MTPF produces electronic fuses for 30 mm, 40 mm, 130 mm and 155 mm ammunitions. All of these are indigenously developed through in-house R&D under the Make in India initiative and has a shelf life of minimum 15 years under the sheltered storage condition.
We have already developed electronic point detonation fuse and electronic time fuses, and these fuses are in line with the MIL standard and the STANAG.
Fuse FB40 is a proximity fuse for 40 mm and L70HE. It has a minimum shelf life of 20 years. In order to achieve the highest standards of products compared to global standards, MTPF is manufacturing hub reduction gear, which is a high precision, zero backlash transmission gearbox made for 155 mm Dhanush gun and all variants of 155 mm Bofors gun.
I've been doing Bofors, various parts of Bofors. We have been given a lot of Bofors items now, and also we do various parts of EGB, TGB.
It also produces case gauging machines for various small arms ammunition, which is used to check various dimensional parameters for small arms ammunition case at the rate of 250 parts per minute. MTPF has supplied more than 250 various ammunition machines to its sister factories and other DPSUs.
We have seen during recently launched INS Vikrant, which was launched by Prime Minister on 2nd September 2022. There also our cover system has been installed and working well.
The Kavach Mod 2 system is designed to counter the threats of various anti-ship missiles by using chaff decoys for optimum anti-missile defense techniques.
MPF is in the process of advancing its flagship product called Kavach Mod 2, and it will be named as Kavach Mod 3. In Kavach Mod 3, we will be including the IR rockets in the Kavach Mod 3, and we are combining ESS called electrical subsystem, FCS called fire control system in one unit, so that we are at par with international standards.
MTPF manufactures and supplies various transmission gearboxes and sub-assemblies for armoured vehicles.
I am leading a team which engages in manufacturing of transmission gearboxes of armoured vehicle like T90, T72 and its all variant. Transmission gearbox used to deliver the power needed for running the tank. MPF has tremendous expertise in manufacturing of transmission gearboxes for armoured vehicle.
MTPF, under the aegis of AVNL, is committed to modernize its production and quality with state-of-the-art plant and machinery, Industry 4.0 technology and new infrastructure through planned expenditure of 100 crore rupees in the next 2 to 3 years. MTPF is fully committed to supply international standard quality products through stringent inspections at various stages.
We having the UTM machine, magnetic particle crack detection machine, DR spectrum machines. We having the facility of hardness checking in 3 parameters like HRA, HRB and HRC.
Today, with the Make in India vision of India's leadership, MTPF has recently indigenized hub reduction gear unit for 155 mm Dhanush gun, electrical motor ED76 for T90 tank. MTPF is continuously committed to bring 100% indigenous production of our defense products in the times to come, like elevation and traverse drives of stabilized remote control gun system for Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard.
MPF is lucky to have very young and talented workforce. Roughly 45 to 50% of our workforce that is very young, and they are very talented. They are graduate and many are engineers also.
Although it's a small unit, MTPF also runs schools, hospitals, industrial canteen, sports facilities, gym and social clubs to connect and care for employees and their families' happiness and welfare.
हमको सभी लेडीज़ को लेके आगे बढ़ना है। लेडीज़ के लिए हमें स्पेशली चाहिए कि वो एजुकेटेड होनी चाहिए, सेल्फ डिपेंड होनी चाहिए, अपने पैरों पे खड़ी होनी चाहिए, फिजिकली और मेंटली हेल्थ उनकी पूरी तरह ठीक होनी चाहिए।
MTPF is conscious of its CSR responsibilities, where it focuses on supporting the underprivileged children in the field of education. MTPF is also a leading player in green initiatives through its Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, afforestation, while also powering its factory premises with solar energy. Acknowledging and in gratitude of our team, the great support of our Defence Ministry, and most importantly, standing shoulder to shoulder with our soldiers, we continue our journey with strength and courage. MPF, powering India's defence.